Manali. Nestled in a far nook of the Himalayan valley, an idyllic abode of peace, beauty and inner joy. Surrounded by snow-capped peaks, caressed by the clear waters of the Beas River, dotted with lush green farmlands and fruit orchards, the serene landscape marked by rows and rows of pine trees, a place so picturesque that every freeze frame of it can make a painting. The culture so rich and colorful, and friendly people make Manali the most sought after place in the great Himalayas. Every year in April, May and June, the laughter of youngsters and their curious footsteps resonate in these tranquil environs. This annual Himalayan Environment Camp is organized by Anala. Anala Outdoors Private Limited is an Ahmedabad-based professional organization with a passionate mission to bring people closer to nature by taking them into the midst of its most mesmerizing showcases and exposing them firsthand to its simple secrets and surprises. Anala calls this inspirational experience touching nature. Gujarat is home to India's most enterprising populace. Its premier cities have for long enjoyed heady levels of prosperity and have been urbanizing at a rapid pace. But caught in this breathless race, the youngsters of the big cities have missed the tender caresses of Mother Nature and forgotten its pristine grace. Anala was founded to re-establish this connecting link between nature and us. Since its inception in 1985, Anala has conducted hundreds of such environment excursions, infusing a deep-rooted understanding, love and respect for Mother Nature among almost 100,000 young boys and girls. More than 100 schools in various parts of Gujarat are avid patrons of these programs, which are based on professional planning backed with expert execution. Anala's Environment Camp to Manali is designed to offer the young participants maximum exposure to the elements of nature in the region and enable them to experience the primeval vitality of our ancestors, at least for a precious while. It is a program that offers inspirational education and a tough testing ground for the participants' stamina, willpower and physical robustness. The ideal age group for this program has been set as 11 to 22 years for boys and girls. Every participant has to carry one's own luggage during the trip. The participants are discouraged from carrying music systems, video games and valuable ornaments. The Anala campsite is located at a hillside about 5 kilometers from Manali, at an idyllic spot cocooned amidst huge pine trees flanking the gurgling river Beas. It is a real camping experience and the participants stay in tents, each large enough to be shared comfortably by 5 to 6 participants. Boys and girls stay in separate tents. The campsite also provides temporary toilets. Hygienic and nutritious vegetarian food is cooked and served at the site. Essential Medicare is also on hand. In short, the campsite becomes a self-sustained community. A team of well-trained male and female volunteers under the guidance of the camp leaders conduct each activity, generating interest and enthusiasm even among the first-timers. One may view the Manali program as a 13-day retreat in the lap of nature, or as a unique learning experience where the young minds open out to the simple secrets of nature through a range of activities. Trekking across the hillside, the grassy meadows, wild orchards and fairy tale forests of Devdar, they will experience the smells, sights and sounds of unspoiled nature. Nature trails, conducted with expert guidance from the camp leaders, will train them to identify the local flora and fauna by name and sight, and infuse in them respect for all forms of life. A host of other exciting activities such as rock climbing, rappelling and river crossing also form part of the program.
I am climbing.
Climb on.
अच्छा लगता है लेकिन अभी रैपलिंग बाकी है ना.
There will be informal talks and discussions on various topics such as the significance of the Himalayan range in the country's topography, the reflections of our development policies on nature, and the importance of conservation as an active agenda that involves all of us. The campers will also play informative games. Leadership qualities, team spirit, group dynamics are few of the topics touched by these games. A day-long trek to Bhrigu Lake is the most exciting but the toughest in the camping program at Manali. The experience would enhance the physical prowess and expand the mental resources of the young nature lovers. Situated at 14,500 feet up, Bhrigu Sarovar is a crater lake. Most of the time it remains frozen. It is a holy place for the locals who believe that sage Bhrigu meditated here. Imbibe the beauty of Bhrigu Lake, the frozen lake. Not many people get the opportunity to be here, so experience it with your body, mind and spirit.
Let's watch it.
Okay!
At the end of the camp, the successful campers are awarded a certificate in appreciation of their participation. They preserve this document as a symbol of a unique rite of passage, prompting them to relive and narrate to others for a long time to come.
પણ કંઈ રાગ લાગતું નહોતું અને ખૂબ જ ખુશી થઈ કે હું જઈ શકી.
Campfire, the time to unwind and to have meaningful interactions. This is also an opportunity to come out with your talents. By the end of this Himalayan camp, the whole personality of the participant undergoes a transformation. The child comes back wiser, more mature and sober, rich with insight and a deeper understanding of life and the universe. And in that sense, what Anala's Manali program offers is a 13-day rejuvenation of the human spirit and the soul in the lap of Mother Nature. Welcome, Manali beckons you.